Okay, students. So welcome back. Now we will start with the practice set 1.2. So what is the question? The following table shows points on a number line and their coordinates. So we will see one table. Decide whether the pair of segment given below the table are congruent or not. Okay. So what they will give us, they will give two segment and we have to tell them that whether they are congruent or not. See here, you can see the figure. You can see the table now. So we have point A, B, C, D, E. What is the coordinate of A? -3. What is the coordinate of B? 5. What is the coordinate of C? 2. What is the coordinate of D? -7. What is the coordinate of E? It is what? Yes, it is 9, right? So we will continue with the part. What is the first question? Segment DE and segment AB. हमको बताना है whether the segment DE and segment AB are congruent or not. Congruent means I have told you in the previous lecture what? Whenever the segment DE का value is equals to segment AB का value. Getting my point? AB का length और DE का length अगर same होगा, so we will call it as yes, segment DE is congruent to segment AB. So we are starting now, students. What about segment D? Segment D मतलब ऐसा होगा कुछ तो भी, D and D, right? And what about segment AB? वो ऐसा होगा, right? Whenever these two length, ये दोनों का length, I will get same, then I can call it out. ये दोनों congruent है. Getting my point? Whenever the value of D as well as value of AB are congruent, then we can call it as what? We will call it as what? We will call it as it is a congruent. Yes or no? Some students are telling, sir, revise the practice at 1.1. Guys, I have already posted in the YouTube channel. If you want, you can refer there and it will be revised automatically. Okay. So what I will do, I will find out first D का value. So D निकालने आपको आता है distance formula से, yes. So I will write length of D, yes. What is the length of D? We know the formula, guys. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. You know, in the previous lecture we saw, yes or no? Put it in the chat box fast. Yes. So what is the value of D? D ka value is -7. What is the value of E? E ka value is 9. So what is greater and what is smaller? What is greater and what is smaller? Yes, 9 is greater. And what is smaller? -7 is smaller. So greater is 9 minus. What is smaller? It is -7. So 9 minus will become plus and 7. So 9 plus 7 is how much? 9 plus 7 is how much? Yes, you are right. It is 16. 9 plus 7 is how much? It is 16. So length of D is what? It is 16. So हमको length of D मिला, बहुत अच्छा. We are happy. Now we have to find what? We have to find AB also. So we will write length of AB equals to length of AB. Yes. Again, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. AB is where? Yes, this is AB. A ka coordinate is what? -3. What about B ka coordinate, guys? What about B ka coordinate? B ka coordinate is 5. So greater coordinate कौन है? -3 or 5? Yes, obviously you are right. 5 is right. 5 is the greater coordinate. Minus. What is SC? SC means smaller coordinate. That is what? -3. So 5 minus 3 means 5 minus will become +3. So 5 plus 3 is what? 8. Yes. Whether D and AB are congruent, yes or no? D and AB are congruent, yes or no? No, because length of D is 16 and length of AB is 8. Whether they are same? No, it is not same. So what I will do, I will write here, see here, I will write here in this case, length of AB is not congruent to, cut करने का ऐसा. This is the congruent sign, right? So cut करने का length of DE. Got it? They are not congruent. So what I will write? I will write the congruent ka symbol and I will cut here. Or in theory also you can write length of DE is not congruent to length of AB. अब ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. It's your choice. Till here it is clear. Some students are yawning. क्या इतना बोर कर रहा हूं मैं? यक्ष, सबके तरफ नजर है मेरी. I can see all the 148 students in a one frame. So students, I want you should be active. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. AB is not congruent to D. Yes? No sir, we are not bored. Okay. So D और AB आपको समझ में आ गया? Yes students. So it is not congruent. We will see the next sum. What are the next sum, guys? Let's see. Okay, now BC and AD. BC and AD. Yes. So again you will do the same thing. First we will see BC. Length of BC निकालेंगे हम लोग. So length of BC equals to, yes, B इधर है, C इधर है. So again greater coordinate minus what? Smaller coordinate. So what is greater coordinate, guys? 5 or 2? 5 or 2? Yes, exactly. It is 5. So 5 minus what is smaller coordinate? Smaller coordinate is 2. So 5 minus 2. Yes, आपके पास 5 एप्पल है, हमने आपसे 2 एप्पल लिया. So what will be remaining? 3 apple. So here you have 3. So 5 minus 2 is what? It is 3. So length of BC आपको मिल गया. It is 3. So what about length of AD? Sir, we are smart. We can do on our own. हम खुद से कर सकते हैं sir. So length of AD क्या होता है students? Length of AD, yes, we have A as -3 and D as -7. Yes, it is interesting. ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. -3 इज लार्जर और -7 इज लार्जर. यस स्टूडेंट्स, आपका पहला प्रश्न 1000 रुपए के लिए. यस, -3 इज लार्जर और -7 इज लार्जर. फास्ट. -3 इज लार्जर और -7 इज लार्जर. चैट बॉक्स भरना चाहिए फास्ट. Yes, exactly. -3 is larger. So I will write here -3. Then minus sign question ka. What about smaller coordinate? Who is smaller? -7 is smaller. And sorry for my voice, guys. Continuous lecture की वजह से आवाज बैठ गया है. नहीं, आप लोग सपोर्ट करोगे तो मेरा आवाज नॉर्मल हो जाएगा, राइट? So -3 minus of -7. Here -3 minus minus will become what? Plus 7. -3 plus 7 हमने बचपन में पढ़े थे. Minus plus minus. Yes students, minus plus minus. Okay, my screen is visible na guys? Yes or no? Okay, I think हम बाहर आ गए. Okay students, again I'm starting. We have to write length of BC. हमने देख लिए थे length of BC is what? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. What about greater coordinate? क्या होता है greater coordinate? यहाँ पर BC. BC, yes, 5 minus 2 and it is what? 3. We have discussed in the previous part. Okay, sir, what is your name? Yes, some students are asking me the name. Really, guys? Okay, students, so length of BC equals to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. It is 5 minus 2 equals to 3. What about length of AD? We have discussed now. This is A and this is D. So we have discussed -3 is larger and -7 is smaller. Yes, you have to write the formula. So -3. Okay, so I am writing here greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So greater is -3 minus of -7. Yes, students, it is clear. So -3 minus minus plus 7. So minus plus बचपन में हम लोग ने पढ़े थे. Minus plus minus 7 minus 3 is 4. बड़ा नंबर का साइन is plus, so we will write here plus. Got it? So answer is 4. Now let me know whether 3 is equals to 4. Yes or no? No, 3 और 4 equal नहीं होता है. This is false. So length of BC is not congruent to length of AD. Again you will write length of BC is not congruent to length of AD. Till here it is clear, guys. Any doubt, any shanka? Then let me know fast. सगळ्यांना कळलं, सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes, no doubts and no shanka. Very good. So if you want, you can take a screenshot also. Fast. Yes, okay. And if anybody is remaining with a screenshot now, you can visit the YouTube channel and you can take a screenshot also, right? आपको वहां भी notes पूरा मिल जाएगा आपको. So आपके पास दो options है. Now we are moving towards the next part. Yes, segment of BE and segment. ये थर्ड वाला कर रहे हैं अभी हम लोग. Segment BE and segment AD. Right? Let's write segment BE. Segment BE म्हणजे काय? Segment BE means yes. स्क्रीन इज विजिबल ना गाइस? आ जाएगा वो, एक्चुअली नेटवर्क इशू का से थोड़ा लैग हो रहा है, अभी आ जाएगा आपके सामने, स्क्रीन में आ जाएगा आपको. ओके ओके, अगेन आई एम राइटिंग नाउ. वी आर डूइंग थर्ड पार्ट. सो वी आर डूइंग लेंथ ऑफ बीई. हम देख रहे हैं लेंथ ऑफ बीई. व्हाट इज लेंथ ऑफ बीई? गौर से देखो इस चेहरे को. व्हाट इज लेंथ ऑफ बीई? यस, where is the b ka coordinate? B coordinate is this. What about e coordinate? E coordinate is this. Which is greater coordinate, guys? 5 or 9? Fast, fast, fast. 5 or 9? Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Yes, 9. And what is smaller coordinate? Yes, what smaller coordinate is what? It is 5. It is 5. So I will write greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. What is greater coordinate? It is 9. What is smaller coordinate? It is 5. So 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. So length of B is 4. Till here any doubts, any shanka, then let me know. Okay. So length of AD. We are moving towards length of AD. AD means what? AD means what? Yes, A coordinate and D coordinate. Again same. A coordinate is -3 and D coordinate is -7. So what is greater coordinate? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate is what? Yes, it is -3. Minus. What is smaller coordinate? -7. So we have -3 minus minus will become +7. Minus plus minus. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer is 4. Yes. What is this? Bingo. So here we have 4, here we have 4. We achieve the target. Yes or no? So we can say that length of B is congruent to length of AD. Yes, we achieve the target. Length of B और length of AD क्या हुआ? Same हो गया. Yes, we have got it. Congratulations, students. And that clap. नहीं, इरमुन ने बताया थे ना, clap क्या है? 3 बार. Yes. So we will do that kind of thing also, right? So you can take the screenshot, guys, if you want. अभी आप लोग डेस्क बजाओगे तो नहीं सुनने में आएगा because you are muted. Okay? So मैं बजाऊंगा सिर्फ 1, 2, 3. Means हमको समझ में आ गया. Agreed. Okay. So you can take the screenshot, guys. हाँ, कोई students लोग chat में बजा रहे हैं, right? Okay. So we'll move ahead. Okay, students, thank you so much. If you want, you can take the screenshot also. आंसर का स्क्रीनशॉट देखो, ऐसे फॉर्मेट में भी लिख सकते हो आप. एंड व्हाट आई टोल्ड, इट इज आल्सो सिंपल फॉर्मेट. इट्स अप टू यू. इफ यू वांट नोट्स का फॉर्मेट, दिस इज नोट्स का फॉर्मेट. टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. सर टुडे यू लुक फुल इन एनर्जी. गाइस, डेली आई एम इन द फुल एनर्जी, राइट? मैं कभी थकता नहीं हूं, राइट? ओके, सेकंड सम. Okay, second sum done. Take the screenshot. Okay, third one. Okay. Okay. Now this is the next part. Very interesting sum, important sum, exam point of view also. See here. Point M is the midpoint of segment AB. So what I will do, I will first draw segment AB. देखो, I will draw A and B. Yes, done. AB हमने बना दिए. Now what they have told, yes, you can do any of the method. मैंने जो बताया वो भी perfect method है, and what you have, I have given the notes, that is also a perfect method. So point M is the midpoint. Midpoint means what? Midpoint means what? Center. Midpoint means what? Center. AB का center में कौन है? M. Yes. So AB is the segment and I have drawn one midpoint. So M is the midpoint of AB. Till here it is clear, guys. Okay. And let me know. Okay. I will tell you one of the important concept. Whenever they have given any point is the midpoint, then समझ जाना है that point will divide this segment into two equal parts. Again, I am repeating. Whenever a segment will be given and whenever the midpoint will be given, so please let me assure that that point will divide this segment into two equal parts. दैट मीन्स आप जब m को मिड पॉइंट बोल रहे हो तो ab को इक्वल पार्ट में बांट दिया, दैट मीन्स am इज इक्वल टू mb. सगळ्यांना कळलं? सबको ये मैथ्स का इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट समझ में आ गया? यस और नो गाइस? लेट मी नो द चैट बॉक्स फास्ट 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 फास्ट. यस, जब भी मिड पॉइंट रहेगा द सेगमेंट विल डिवाइड इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. यस और नो? यस, segment will divide into two equal parts, right? So what I will do now, I can say that am is equals to mb, right? Because m is the midpoint na, so am is equals to mb. am और mb equal है, or I can say, see here, or I can say am is half of ab. अरे बाबा सेम है ना, आधा आधा है ना दोनों. yes or no? So I can say that this am is half of AB. Yes or no students? हम बोल सकते हैं AM भी आधा है AB का and as well as MB भी आधा है AB का, because they are same ना, they are congruent, right? So I can say that AM is half of AB, MB is half of AB, but we have to find AM. हमको AM निकालना है तो हम MB के पास नहीं जाएंगे, MB को बोलेंगे टाटा बाय बाय, हमको जरूरत नहीं है आपकी. So what we are interested about? We are interested in what? We are interested in AM, right? So I will write AM is half of AB. So half into what is AB guys? AB कितना है हमारे पास? Yes, we have 8. AB कितना है हमारे पास? 8. So we will write here 8. Okay. मेरा 8 टेढ़ा बन गया 8. Clear guys? So 1/2 into 8. We know the cut वाला part. 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8. You know the table ना? Guys, ऐसे मैथ्स को पढ़ोगे लाइफ लॉन्ग याद रहेगा. ऐसे मैथ्स को पढ़ोगे लाइफ लॉन्ग याद रहेगा. यस, समझ में आ रहा है? सो 1/2 मींस 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So what is remaining? 4. What is remaining? 4. So AM is what? Yes sir, हमारे लिए मैथ्स मुश्किल नहीं है. AM is what? 4. So अभी अगर आपको कोई पूछेगा yes स्टूडेंट मैथ्स इज डिफिकल्ट, तो आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नो, ये मेरे लिए फन है. फन भी है और इंटरेस्टिंग भी है. सो नो गाइस, इट इज अ फन टू एज वेल एज इंटरेस्टिंग. सर इट्स टू इजी, आई थिंक द 9th वाज वेरी हार्ड. यस, सो आई थिंक इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर. सो वी हैव रीच्ड टू द एपी पार्ट. एम समझ में आ गया हमको. ओके, सम स्टूडेंट्स आर टेलिंग सर प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अगेन. ओके, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग अगेन. one more. If you want guys, you can take a screenshot of the answer fast. तो क्या हम आगे बढ़े स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, नाउ इट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. अगर आप ध्यान दोगे इसमें, सी स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप फोकस करोगे, इफ यू विल फोकस, देन आई एम डैम श्योर दैट आपको ये चीज आपको यहीं पर समझ में आ जाएगा. अगर आप फोकस नहीं करोगे तो माइट बी पॉसिबल पूरा साल निकल जाएगा, आपको समझ में कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. Okay, so I request you focus just 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes and I am giving you assurance that आपको ये चीज समझ में आ जाएगा पूरी तरीके से. Okay, are you ready guys? Yes or no? Fast. Yes students? Yes, I'm getting the answer. Okay, so we are moving to the next part. Okay, see the figure. As you can see the figure. Now ध्यान से देखो अभी. See here. One segment is given or one line is given. First question, see here. Write the name of opposite ray of AP. RP, sorry. RP का opposite ray कौन है? Opposite means अगर मैं ये डायरेक्शन में जा रहा हूं तो इसका opposite कौन है? वो तो आपको पता है. Yes, yes. If I am coming in this part, opposite ray is this, right? So what will be the opposite ray? What is the ray? RP. RP is direction में. So what will be opposite ray? This ray. Yes or no? So we have here two ray. We have RS as well as RT. RS भी हमारे पास में है और RT भी हमारे पास में है, right? So we can write RS and RP. Till here any doubt? Then let me know fast. Till here any doubt? Let me know. Till here any doubt? Let me know fast. Yes, Aditya, you have any doubt? Yes, Aditya, you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, segment PQ will also come, na?
PQ. No, it will not come. Why? I will tell you. See here. I will tell you again. This is RP, right? RP means this ray. RP means this ray, right?
Yes.
This is RP.
Yes.
So whatever talking you is you talking about PQ, right?
Yes.
So PQ खुद RP में आ रहा है. PQ is coming in the RP only.
So how?
See, this is RP, right? This ray, and PQ is coming in the this ray only. So they are on the same line. Getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
Getting my point?
Yes.
So we want opposite ray, right?
Yes.
So opposite means we will see this direction now. So whatever the ray will be in the opposite direction, we will write that.
Means when the in one direction the PQ is coming.
Yeah, exactly. In the same direction PQ is coming. That's why we will not take that.
Okay, sir. Thank
Got
you.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any other students? Yes. Yes, Nirmiti. Nirmiti, you have any doubts? Yes, Nirmiti.
Yes, sir.
You have
Sir,
any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
You have said opposite direction, then T will not come. ST.
Yeah, ST will come now. I told you, na. RS will also come. RT will also come. ST will also come. But we have to write only one thing. So it's your choice.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay, yeah, unmute. Okay, done. Fine. Any hands? Okay, those who have cleared with the doubt, just down your hands. Put down your hands first. I think my screen is not visible now, right? 1 minute, students. It is taking the time now. Students. So I hope first wala part is clear. RP is in this direction. Okay. So RP is in this direction. Okay. So we will take RS and RT. So first answer is RS and RT. First part is clear, guys. हम आगे बढ़े. Okay. Okay, students. Now, second one. See here, focus. Second question. Now see, Aditya, आपका note अभी clear हो जाएगा देखो. Write the intersection set of PQ and RP. See here. PQ is what? This ray. And RQ is what? RP is what? This ray. अब देखो इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन कौन है. इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन मींस दोनों रे में कौन सा पॉइंट आता है. If you can see guys, see here. If we will take RP, अगर मैं RP लूंगा तो यहां पर Q भी आ रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. RP अगर मैं लूंगा RP तो यहां पर ये PQ भी आ रहा है और मैं अगर PQ लूंगा तो PQ भी आ रहा है. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. सो PQ इज द कॉमन पॉइंट, कॉमन रे. सो इसका आंसर आपका आएगा PQ. आई होप ये अच्छे तरीके से क्लियर रहेगा. इंटरसेक्शन मींस कॉमन, दोनों में कौन आ रहा है. सो अगर आप RQ लोगे सॉरी RP लोगे, RP में भी इधर PQ तो आ ही रहा है ना ये रे में. और आप जब PQ ले रहे हो तो PQ में तो ऑलरेडी आ ही रहा है PQ. सो RP और PQ में दोनों बार PQ आ रहा है. सो PQ विल बी द आंसर. गॉट इट गाइस? टिल हियर इट इज क्लियर? Shankar, then let me know fast. बट यहां पर हम पॉइंट P नहीं लेंगे. We will take a ray PQ. Any doubt? And let me know fast. Clear? Yes. Okay. Fine. No नेहल, जो आपका मैथ्स हो बिल्कुल भी हार्ड नहीं है. अगर आप समझने का ट्राई करोगे तो वो हार्ड नहीं है. चलो आगे बढ़ते. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड वन. Write the union set of PQ and QR. Union मतलब we have discussed, right? Union मतलब entire, पूरा. ऐसा रे हमको चाहिए जहां पर आपका PQ भी आ रहा है और QR भी आ रहा है. Yes, PQ and QR. कौन सा रे है जिसमें दोनों भी आ रहा है? Yes, PQ and QR. Just tell me fast. PQ and QR. Yes, exactly, QR. क्योंकि देखो QR बड़ा वाला है. QR is the bigger ray, right? QR is the bigger ray, right? So in QR, PQ is also coming and QR is also coming. So I will write here QR. Any doubts, students? Let me know fast. Yes, again, one students are telling. Yes, Aditya, you have any doubts? Then let me know. You have raised your hand. Aditya.
Sir, your voice is breaking too much. So that's why I can't understand the third one, sir.
Yes, students, my voice is breaking really. I think I'm getting the answers. Aditya, just leave the meeting and again join it now. Might be network from your side issue. Okay. Okay. So again, I'm repeating the third one. PQ and QR. Union का मतलब ये होता है students. Simple चीज. Union मतलब कि वो रे जहां पर दोनों आ जाए. जहां पर you will get PQ as well as QR. So if you will take QR now, so you have PQ also and QR also now. So that is a complete ray, right? So we will take QR is the answer. I hope this much is clear. So shall we move ahead? सगळ्यांना कळलं का? Yes, Siddhant, tell me.
सर अगर हम PQ है और QR है ना, तो PQ में R कैसे आ रहा है?
Sorry.
PQ तो ऐसा जा रहा है ना और QR ऐसा जा रहा है, तो R
नहीं.
PQ के पीछे है ना.
See here. First what they have given PQ and QR, right? अगर मैं QR बना रहा हूं तो ऐसे बनाऊंगा मैं, राइट? QR है ये मेरा, ये वाला, राइट? अब ये QR में मुझे बताओ whether P is coming or not. P आ रहा है क्या नहीं? Coming. So this is the P. That's what I'm saying. QR में QR आ रहा है and QR के अंदर में PQ आ रहा है. So that is the union. Getting union means that ray we have to write in which all the two rays are coming. Both the two rays are coming. It is clear, Siddhant?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So down your hands fast. Okay, students, we are moving towards the fourth part. What is the fourth part? Now it will be interesting. Huh? State the rays of which QR is the subset. QR किसका subset है? अगर if you will remember my old lecture of algebra, हमने जहां पर subset बताए थे, so I had told you what is the subset. QR किसका subset है? I will tell you. Yes, exactly. One student has given the perfect answer. मैंने आपको बताया था, याद है? A is the subset of A. Then students were asking me, sir, how this happen? कैसे होगा ये? Right? याद है आपको? Algebra में हम लोग previous lecture में देखे थे. A is subset of A. Means A के जो element है वो A में ही रहेंगे ना? Yes or no? A के जो element है वो A में ही रहेंगे. तो whenever they are talking about subset, तो वही उसका subset होगा. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा बताओ मुझे? QR किसका सबसेट है? QR का ही. Getting my point? Yes or no? सगळ्यांना कळलं का? Yes. Now tell me guys, ये क्या हार्ड है क्या? बताओ अभी. ये हार्ड है, ये मैथ्स हार्ड है, तो फिर क्या पढ़ेंगे हम 9th में आ गए, राइट? So it is clear. QR is the subset of QR. और QR को you can write RQ. It's your choice. Okay. Next part. Write the pair of opposite ray with common endpoint R. Very good. We want R से opposite ray. बहुत simple है. Here we have R. So I will take here RP right side में, and I will take here RS left side में. So I will write here RP and RS. They told ना. They told R आपको R points opposite ray you have to take. You can take RP and RS. And if you want, you can take RQ and RT. आपकी मर्जी, कुछ भी लो आप. Yes or no? You can take RQ as well as RT also. But the thing is, you want what? Opposite ray. Siddhant, if question is done, then down your hands. And Rudra, you have question? No, na? Okay. Okay, students. I think each and everyone is clear with the doubts. Fine. Yes. Avdut, you have doubt? Yes, Avdut, you have doubt?
No, sir.
Then just down your hand, student. Okay. So I think this is clear, fifth one. Okay, some students are saying sir fourth वाला वापस से explain करो. So guys, fourth means किसी का भी subset if you want to take, so that's ray is only a subset. I told you A is the subset of A. वो खुद अपने आप का subset होता है. So if you want to find out the QR का subset, तो QR का subset खुद QR ही होगा. It is clear guys? QR का subset खुद ही QR होगा. Now we are moving towards about 6th point. 6 का आप खुद ही बताओगे आप मेरे को, बहुत सिंपल है. राइट एनी टू रेस विद कॉमन एंड पॉइंट एस. एस से दो रे लेने के ऑपोजिट रे, टू रे कॉमन एंड पॉइंट. सो एस से भी है एस आर एंड एस टी. यस स्टूडेंट्स, एस आर एंड एस टी, इट्स योर चॉइस, यू कैन टेक एनी ऑफ द थिंग. एस आर एंड एस टी. क्लियर गाइस? एनी डाउट, एनी शंका? एंड लेट मी नो. एनी डाउट, एनी शंका? प्लीज फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट. Enjoying the lecture, student? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, got your point? Okay. So we are moving towards the last part. क्या है आखिरी वाला सवाल? Write the intersection set of SP and ST. See here, SP यहाँ पर है, ST यहाँ पर है. अब यहाँ पर we don't have common ray. We don't have common ray, but we have here common point. Yes or no? हमारे पास common ray नहीं है यहाँ पे. In the previous we have one common ray ना. अगर मैं SP बना रहा हूँ, see here SP, and we have here ST, but we don't have common ray. ये different ray है, ये different ray, but we have common point. So इसका आंसर आएगा point S. इसका आंसर आएगा पॉइंट एस. गाइस, whenever in the intersection part, if the ray is common, then you have to write the ray. If the ray is not common, then you have to write the point. See here, SP में भी S आ रहा है, ST में भी S आ रहा है. So you have point common S, right? You have common point S, the answer will be the S. Till here any doubt? Then let me know fast. सगळ्यांना कळलं का? Student, understood? No doubt. Yes sir. Okay students, very good. Thank you so much student. Okay, we are moving towards the next part now. So आप इसका आंसर लिख लो पहले. See here, you can take the screenshot. Okay, you can take the screenshot guys, fast. You can take the screenshot. Okay, if you have the entire sum doubt now guys, you can go and visit. If somebody having network issue, then please student, you can go and you can take the see the video also. We have the video for you, so you can refer the video at any time. Okay, so we are moving towards the next part. Okay, this is very good. This sum is last sum for today's session. Okay, so last sum for today's session. Okay, so what is the question? State the points which are equidistant from point B. Point B, say what are the points which are equidistant? Yes student, let me know. See here, B is here. We have to take the distance. We have to take the distance. If I will move two distance in the right side, see here, 1 2, तो हम C पर पहुंचते हैं. कहां पर पहुंचते हैं हम लोग? C पर पहुंचते हैं अगर हम 2 की दूरी पे जा रहे हैं तो, right? If we are moving toward the left hand side, दो लेफ्ट में जाओ, 1 2, हम A पे पहुंचते हैं. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what happened when we are taking B? So what are the equidistant point? Yes, the points are point A and point C are equidistant. Clear? Answer समझ में आया सबको? Yes or no? Answer सबको समझ में आ गया? Point B से कौन कौन equidistant पे है? So I will move two distance आगे गया मैं right side में and 2 distance left side में गया. So I found A and C. Yes, any distance you can take, but the distance will be same. राइट और लेफ्ट का डिस्टेंस आपका सेम रहना चाहिए. सो उस हिसाब से देखो 4 जाता हूं मैं, 1 2 3 4. इफ यू विल टेक डी, 4 की दूरी पे डी लिया, लेफ्ट में आओ, 1 2 3 4. यस, वी हैव हियर पी. Okay, in right hand side the distance is 4, left hand side distance is 4. So you can take D and P also. इसका आंसर point D and point P also आएगा. Point P and point D. Yes, guys? Clear? Okay. Yes or no? Clear or not? Bingo. Okay. So we'll move towards next part. So next question is this. See, write a pair of point equidistant from Q. Same question, guys. कितना इजी रख रहे हैं मैथ्स के सम्स को महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड वाले नहीं. So we will see the second sum. Answer me, students. Point Q we have to take equidistant. अगर हम एक का डिस्टेंस लेंगे तो सी हियर Q से here we have L and here we have U. If we will take distance one, then here L and U. So we will write point U and point L. Got it, students? Point U and point L. Again, I'm repeating. I want more students in the lecture. Tell your friends. ये lecture miss नहीं करना है. Concepts build up हो रहे ना guys आपके. So it's your duty सबको बुलाना है. Okay. So point U and point L. You can take point R and point. Yes. Point P also. आप R और P भी ले सकते हो. Right? So I hope it is clear. I will give you the solution also. So first see the third question. Okay. Third question आप खुद ही कर सकते हो students, I think. Yes or no? Distance U भी निकालना है आपको. So I will ask the students. Okay. You have to find distance of U. Okay. So I am muting now some of the students. I want the answer from rational group. Raise your hand. Rational group. Raise your hand. Digital raise your hand. नहीं तो हाथ आप अपनी जगह पे उठाओगे मुझे नहीं दिखेंगे आप लोग. Okay, fast. I want answer from your side. No, I am not a Marathi. I am trying to learn Marathi from the kids. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मराठी मेरा अच्छा हो जाए इसके लिए. Okay, so I am getting the hands. Okay, so I'm getting the hands from the rational group. Yes, Shubham, answer me. Shubham, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Distance UV.
Sir, distance UV is equals to large
Yes.
minus small,
Yes, greater coordinate minus smaller
greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate equals to my greater coordinate is phi.
Okay, here U, no? This is U.
Yes, U
this-
means minus phi
Okay, got
and
it.
V means phi.
Okay, then
Then greater coordinate is phi
yes,
minus in bracket minus phi.
very good. Then
Phi minus minus plus phi plus phi equals to 10.
thank you so much. Okay, so rest all down your hands fast. So I hope distance UV सबको समझ में आ गया है. Yes, bingo. So we'll move towards the next part. What about distance of PC? Now we want distance of PC. Okay, real group, raise your hand. Real group, raise your hand. Okay, I will give you the solution का solution मैं दूंगा आपको. आप पिक निकाल लो उसका. I will give you the solution. Yes, I am getting the answers. Yes, Ganesh, I am unmuting you.
Okay, sir. Sir, distance P comma C is equal to
Yeah.
greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate.
Okay.
Greater coordinate is 4
Okay.
and smaller coordinate is -2.
So how we have to write?
4 minus bracket -2.
Very good. And then 4.
4 minus minus plus 4
Okay.
plus 2 is equal to 6 unit.
Yes, exactly. The answer distance of PC is 6. Thank you so much, Ganesh. You can down your hands. Yes, students, down your hands fast. Now, the next question is for integer group. Raise your hand. Integer wale bachche, raise your hand. Fast. integer. Yes, I'm unmuting now. Siddhant. Yes, Siddhant.
Yes, sir. Distance of VB is equals to 5 minus 2.
Where is V? V here is 5 and B is what? 2. Okay. So greater coordinate minus smaller, right? 5 minus 2 and here you have 3.
Sorry, 3.
Okay. So I am waiting for your answer. But you do sir ko to aata hai. Okay. Thank you so much, Siddhant. Okay. Yes, students. So I hope ये आपका अच्छी तरीके से clear है. Okay. So rest all you can do on your own. Now I am giving you the answer and rest all group. Sir, you are not taken the okay. Whole group, don't worry. आपको एकदम hard question पूछूंगा मैं. सबसे tough question पूछूंगा.